What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube?
Today we're going to talk about 10 things you need to know before buying a house in Florida. And these 10 things, some we learned the lesson the hard way. So if you don't know, we moved down to Southeast Florida from Idaho, 2,700 miles. We sold our house in Idaho. We flew down here, bought a house in Florida, and then moved our whole family down here. And here's 10 things that you probably want to know before you do the same thing. You're going to need an insurance agent. I didn't even ever think about this when we lived up in Idaho, and I didn't even know like it was a thing still. In Idaho or in Florida, get yourself a good insurance agent. I know one if you're in like the Port St. Lucie area, Stewart, Vero Beach, all that stuff. She does amazing. She's hooked us up. So not only are you going to need to do your homeowners insurance for Florida, especially, and it's all different here. And I used to have USAA, and USAA used to be like cheap. It was not even comparable. They wanted to charge us over $5,000 a year versus we pay like $1,500 a year. So get an insurance agent. And I thought we could shop around and do it ourselves. And I called and I was like, what is happening right now? I don't even understand. That's why I learned about the wind mitigation inspection. But then our realtor that we were working with down here, she's like kind of taught me some stuff about the Florida ropes. And she's like, hey, we're going to, you need that insurance agent down here. So get yourself an insurance agent. If you're moving to Port St. Lucie area, hit me up. I will get you our insurance agent. She's amazing. And not only are you going to need it for your house, but you're also going to need it for your vehicles, because you do have to have a certificate for Florida vehicles, for Florida insurance. And you can't just change your address because, hey, USAA, when we called you and told you that our home address was in Florida now, then you didn't say anything
else.
And we got to the DMV and they're like, your insurance is for Idaho. I was like, well, we called and we told them we moved to Florida. Yeah, well, they didn't do it because they knew that this was going to happen. So we don't have USA anymore because, again, they wanted to charge us $500 a month. So we called our insurance agent and she hooked it up and shopped around for us. But you would just be surprised at how much stuff is a little bit different and a little bit workaround.
So number 6 is homeowners insurance, and it is definitely different here.
It's different
and more expensive for sure.
It's more expensive because, let's go ahead and talk about the elephant in the room: hurricanes.
So
you have a hurricane deductible, but then also we have tropical storms. Hail. There was like some hail damage down in West Palm Beach a couple months ago.
Just the wind can be crazy.
Can get, there's hurricanes here, so we know that. And then sinkholes, and that's another reason why we chose where we live versus like the Tampa area. If you just look it up as statistics, There's a lot more sinkholes over there than over here. So there's like sinkholes, hurricanes, wind, driving rain, water damage, roof stuff. So Florida has a lot of issues, issues you could say, are external factors that a lot of other states don't have. So insurance companies guard themselves very closely here. And that is why homeowners is a little bit different. And then that goes back to our number 7 is you want to get an insurance agent to help you navigate that process. Because, you could spend all day calling different and trying to wade through and like, what does this mean? That's literally what they do every day. So they can help you with that process, get you the coverage you need, and get you the affordable price that you need. And then, hey, I'm going to tell you this right now. If you have a homeowner's insurance claim, call your insurance agent up first. Do not talk to the insurance company. We're going to get into that later.